Two of the biggest names in business filings go head-to-head: Northwest Registered Agent versus CorpNet. Which one really delivers? On the left, Northwest Registered Agent, the business privacy experts with all-inclusive support. On the right, CorpNet, fast, friendly business filings and compliance. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into the real differences that matter for your business. Each category earns points, so by the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Here, how we're gonna break it down. We're looking at price and value, customer support, privacy and security, turnaround and ease of use, and all those sweet features and extras. Each category's got its quirks, so don't blink, you might miss something. Let's start with what pretty much everyone asks first: price and value. With Northwest Registered Agent, you're looking at the lowest formation fee on the market, just $39 plus your state's filing fee. Oh, and they toss in registered agent service for free that first year. Seriously, no hidden nonsense lurking underneath. But heads up, if you want rush filing, that'll be $100, and after year one, registered agent renews at $125 a year. Now, CorpNet clocks in at $79 plus state fee for basic formation, but they do run promos if you want to snag a sale. However, registered agent renews at $149, and just so you know, you'll hit a bunch of upsells and add-ons along the way. Like EIN isn't even included up front. I mean, by the numbers, Northwest seriously takes this round. Okay, let's talk customer support. Northwest leans all the way in with their corporate guides. You get US-based experts who actually help you with compliance stuff, not just read a script. Honestly, their reviews are wild, like a 4.7 out of 5 on Trustpilot. Downside? No live chat, so if you're a keyboard warrior, yeah, sorry. CorpNet's support is friendly and they promise a satisfaction guarantee, but it's not as customized. Some folks say you get a bit of a sales pitch vibe, so if you want real answers and real people, Northwest is the clear winner here. Moving on to privacy and security. And you guys, this is kinda Northwest's whole thing. They do premium privacy by default and swear they'll never sell your data, promise. They even provide a business address so you can keep your personal info off public records. Now, to be fair, if you're in one of those states with wild rules, not every last bit of info can be masked. CorpNet gives you basic privacy protection, but honestly, it's not what they're known for. Plus, they might use your business details for marketing. Yeah, not ideal if you're crunching privacy angles. Northwest absolutely wins here, and oh, here's something cool. Privacy really does make a difference for peace of mind. Pause for a quick nugget. Did you know Northwest Registered Agent never sells your data? Yep, privacy isn't just a buzzword here. That's a legit brand promise, and not many competitors can say that with a straight face. Alright, moving into turnaround and ease of use. Northwest's dashboard is, well, it's chill. Everything is simple and straight up. You see your state fees, nothing is sneaky. Expedite? Yep, gotta pay extra. CorpNet sometimes pulls off a slightly faster turnaround in a few states, and if you're in New York, they'll even handle that headache-y newspaper publication, but that's another add-on. Honestly, both are easy enough, just depends if you want basic speed or fewer fees up front. On this one, I'm gonna call it a tie. Final big bucket: features and extras. This is where Northwest really flexes. You get custom operating agreements, free mail forwarding, and if you're doing businesses in multiple states, it's a flat $125 per state. Super straightforward. Only con: no expedited filings baked in. You have to pay if you want things done quicker. CorpNet offers some solid stuff too, like handling publication in NY or other states and giving you compliance reminders. But here's the kicker: they charge extra for those everyday add-ons like EIN or mail. Honestly, if you want bang for your buck, Northwest edges this out again. If you look at the scores, it's kinda wild how Northwest keeps nudging ahead in almost every category. The radar chart, visual proof, folks, value, privacy, and extras just stack up. Alright, bottom line, Northwest Registered Agent is hands down the better pick for long-term value, epic privacy, and that expert-level support that actually feels genuine. Go CorpNet if you're hunting super fast filings or you need advanced publication help in New York. But for most folks, Northwest just makes sense. Want even deeper business breakdowns? Hit follow. I've got more side-by-sides coming and you don't want to miss the next showdown.